Jai Gurudev, March 6th, 1996, Bangalore Ashram, India. Knowledge Seat 39. Relax and know that you are connected. You are in space. To know that you are in space, you do not have to look for space. You do not need to keep repeating, I am in space, I am in space. You simply accept and assume it. Similarly, to connect to the divine, you simply have to relax and do nothing. This is when you can tap into the source of infinite energy. Be patient, don't be in a hurry. The Bible says, be still and know that I am God. When you sit still and meditate, you realize that you are in the space. When you come out of meditation, make sure you act, that you are dynamic and spontaneous in your activity. In time, you will never lose that state of consciousness, even when you are in activity. As long as there is restlessness and a strong tendency to act, you will not be able to experience the connection. This is why it is important to meditate, relax, and at the same time keep alive this aspiration to be connected. This will take you forward step by step. Question: am I connected to you or you are connected to me? Gurudev: I can never be connected to you because I was never separate from you in the first place. So beautiful. Newsflash: participants from all corners of India attended an advanced course from March 1st to 5th. The ashram bustled with activity. Despite a large number of young devotees, the course was unusually silent, which broke with boisterous celebration of Holi, the festival of colors. We held a satsang in open air with the sound of drums and the beat of our hearts. The radiant full moon soaking us in bright colors, showers of joy and tears of gratitude with Gurudev's wisdom. So beautiful. So in that day, there was advanced course and there was a celebration of Holi. So beautiful. In presence of Gurudev, Holi festival becomes so colorful, vibrant, So in this knowledge sheet, Gurudev is talking about how to be connected to the God or the divine. He is saying that you are already connected. You don't need to do something else. You have to be relaxed and sit still and meditate. You will know that you are connected. And the moment we feel connected, what happens? We come into bliss, an infinite energy, and infinite wisdom that dawns within us. So, Gurudev is saying, relax and know that you are connected. So, you will never be in a state of anxiousness or in a state of weariness. All will be taken care of. So beautifully, Gurudev guided us to the spiritual path. Be connected and have faith. Have a lovely day ahead. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev.